Welcome to MS Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate construction of central control unit for irrigation water pumps or any industrial appliances. So this system mainly construct a design to control various loads wirelessly using central control system. For example, if you want to control any industrial appliances or irrigation motors or any power supply designs using central control system, so we can monitor and we can control the entire individual operations or applications using central control system. Here we are making this project using PIC microcontroller and RFID, radio frequency identification, security authentication, and wireless RF transmitter and RF receiver. So the main aim of the project is to provide security and also monitor the devices and also controlling the devices using wireless communication. By using this central control system, we can control any of the devices wirelessly and also monitor the status of the devices with RFID, radio frequency protection. So this system having RFID tag. For example, this is receiver section 1 which is connected to one irrigation motor. We are showing like as a AC appliance, AC load. So for in this we are assuming as AC induction motor or irrigation motor. And receiver section 2 is also having same another load, AC load. So this load is controlling through this relay. And here also having RF receiver 433 megahertz RF receiver, and this is also having RF receiver 433 megahertz. So this load also controlling with this relay. Here also we are using PIC microcontroller. So here this RFID reader reads this tag number. This is device 2, receiver 2 card for authentication, and this is receiver 1 card for authentication. This third card is we are showing like as unauthorized card. So before that we are going to switch on this device 1, device 2. We should access using this RFID security card. So unless this card we cannot control the load. So let me demonstrate this project how it is working. So here we are using two switches. So this switch is using for on and off same receiver 1. This second switch is using for on and off the device receiver section 2 load. Let me demonstrate how it is working. So when I switch on this power supply, so it shows construction of central control unit. So it is asking to show RFID tag. So now I am going to switch on my device 1. So if I want to switch on my device 1, I can place. So it is authorized. The card 1 is, system 1 is accessed. See here the receiver section 1 load is on. So again I want to switch off the device section, receiver section 2. So I can press the button whatever the want, like so device 1 is off. Like I want to switch on my device 2 using security card. I can press device 2 stop button and I can show the, so it is switch on device 2. So if you want to switch off, so device 2 is off. Like again I want to switch on